Transcript of a WhatsApp conversation that actress Riya Chakraborty apparently had with filmmaker Mahesh Bhatt on June 8 has been accessed by Times Now. The Times of India report says that the chat seems to suggest that she informed him of the fact that she was leaving her boyfriend, late actor Sushant Singh Rajput, on that day. The WhatsApp conversation between Ria and Bhatt also hints that the fact that her father might not have been happy about her relationship with Sushant and that Bhatt had advised her against it. The chat has been doing the round since Thursday evening. According to the screenshot of the chat available in the channel, Ria messaged to Bhatt and said, Aisha moves on, sir, with a heavy heart and sense of relief. Aisha was Ria's name in the 2018 film Jalebi, co-produced by Mahesh Bhatt. In the next message, Ria wrote, Our last call was a wake up call. The message that followed read, You are my angel, you were then and you are now. The two separate messages, Bhatt replied, Don't look back, make it possible what is inevitable. And my love to your father, he will be a happy man. Ria then wrote, I have found some courage. And what you said about my dad that day on the phone pushed me to be strong for him. He sends you love and thanks to you for always being so special. Bhatt replied, You are my child. I feel light. Ria then wrote, no words, sir. The best emotions I feel for you. In reply, Bhatt wrote, Thank you for being brave. To this, Ria stated in separate messages, Thank you, Destiny, that I met you. You are right. Our path met for this day. And not for a film, but something very different. Every word you have said to me echoes in me and feel a deep impact of your unconditional love. The report also stated that Ria shared emojis of a rainbow and dancing girl to express her happiness at various stages of the conversation. The conversation on WhatsApp goes on with Ria writing, I love you, my best man, and will make you proud. Bhatt replied with emojis of folded hand, You have, truly. It takes guts to do what you did. Don't look back. Ria's boyfriend, Sushant Singh Rajput, was found dead in his home on June 14. The late actor's family subsequently filed an FIR charging the actress and her family with abetment to suicide, among other charges. The CBI has taken over the investigation of the case.
I think, Sharmila, if you always believe that everything that you do.
Hello everyone, I'm Vicky Kaushal and you're watching me on Sharmila Show House.
Absolutely fantastic to appear on Sharmila Show for the very first time and keep watching the show, and I hope to be back soon.
Great honor to be here. Thank you so much.
Keep on watching Sharmila Show House because she brings the most unbelievable topics to you.
आत्मविश्वास होना, अपने से प्यार हो तो कोई भी बाधा बड़ी नहीं लगेगी आपको.
Keep watching Sharmila Show House. It's a great place to find out deep insights about people.
I think she's different at different places.
Be progressive. Be positive. Do yourself. Understand your duties more than your rights.
It was lovely talking to you, Sharmila.
You train for all kind of roles.
Hi, this is Varun Sukhi and you're watching Sharmila Show House.
It was a great pleasure to be with Sharmila ma'am.
Hi, मैं हूँ सचिन जोशी और आप मुझे देख रहे हैं शर्मिला शो हाउस पर.
Very good friend and a journalist. My best wishes to Sharmila.
Happy to be on Sharmila's Show House.
Hi, I'm Arjun Mathur and you're watching me on Sharmila's Show House.
Thank you for having me here.
So all the viewers of Sharmila Show House, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for being a part of this interview. Thank you for having us.
इनका शो देखते रहिएगा.
And you're watching Sharmila Show House.